In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix download queued Steam. If a game in your Steam library is stuck on download queued and won't start, don't worry, follow along and we'll get it moving again. First, open the Steam client on your computer. We'll start by clearing Steam's download cache, which often fixes a jammed queue caused by corrupted or outdated temporary files. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu, then go to Settings, choose Downloads and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will let you know that this will sign you out. That's normal, confirm the action. Let Steam restart and then sign back in. Once you are back, head to your library so we can try the download again. Next, try the simplest kickstart, pausing and resuming the download. In your library, right-click the game that's stuck. Go to Manage and choose Pause Download. Wait a couple of seconds so Steam can update the queue. Then resume it. This forces Steam's scheduler to recheck the task and can immediately free it from the queue if it got stuck behind another process. If the download still won't start, go ahead and restart Steam completely. Click the Steam menu in the top left again and choose Exit. Make sure the app is fully closed. If you see the Steam icon in your system tray, a full restart refreshes background services and the connection to Steam's content servers, which can resolve lingering queue issues. Finally, if you are still seeing download queued, change your download region. Open the Steam menu. Go to Settings, click Downloads, and look for Download Region. Choose a different server location, ideally one geographically close to you. Sometimes, a nearby server is congested, and switching to another local or regional mirror can immediately improve connection quality. Click OK to apply the change. If Steam asks to restart, allow it. Then return to your library and check the download status again. Give each step a moment to take effect before moving to the next, and keep an eye on the download bar to confirm progress. Clearing the cache refreshes temporary files. Pausing and resuming nudges the scheduler. Restarting Steam resets the client. And changing the region swaps you to a less busy server. Together, these steps resolve most download queued issues without any complicated troubleshooting. That's it, thanks for watching.